What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to teach you how to make iPhone ringtones for free. Inside of iTunes you're going to select your artist, which I'm picking The Cure, and I'm going to use this song right here, Boys Don't Cry, and you're going to play it to find the spot where you want to start the song off, the ringtone off, you know. Just give me a minute. We'll start at the beginning. Okay, so 23. Okay, now you're gonna right click on this and press Get Info. Right here. Okay, go to Options. Here we go. You go to Options, and now you need to make it 30 seconds long. That's how long an iPhone ringtone needs to be. And I'm starting it out at 23. So I'm going to change this number to 23. And I'm going to change this number to 0, then the semicolon, then 30 seconds longer, so it'll be 53. Then press OK. And now you want to right click on this and press Create AAC Version. This option right here. And it's going to pop up right underneath it. Now what you're going to do now is press Show in Windows Explorer. Here it is. Here's the ringtone. And I'm going to cut it. I'm going to paste it to my desktop. And I'm going to exit out of this folder now. This 30-second one right here, you need to right click on it and press delete. You have to get it out of the iTunes folder for this to work. And now you need to, if you don't have folder options where you can see extensions turned on, you need to go do it, which I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Folder options and click on the settings. Go into folder options, go to view, and hide extensions of known file types. Uncheck that box and press apply. Press OK. And you're going to see a .m4a. You need to change that to M4OR, which stands for ringtone. Click anywhere and press yes. Now you can double click on it and it's automatically go into the ringtone selection inside of iTunes. Watch, I'll show you. I'll show you. There we go, right there. Boys Don't Cry. 30 seconds long. And it's in there. And you can just synchronize it to your iPhone really easily now. Well, if you liked the video, rate a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and please subscribe. It really helps me out. Thanks. Bye.